Right. Who's ready to ride?
We are.
Me. Look, got my helmet and my gloves. Okay. Well, we played with the ready to ride suite today. Here's my cards. That was so much fun, wasn't it? That's the one I did today. So we've got a little flower in the corner there. So we've used the edge of the flowers on the designer series paper, which comes looking like this. So when you've got an edge piece like that, it's like, what do I do with that? You can put it in your edges like this. That was my first one. It's a bit hard with the jacket on, isn't it? This is my husband's jacket. I liked the red. This one here, I put the bling here, but because I put the motorbike on this one today a little bit lower, I decided to cut my sentiment a tiny bit shorter. So I've just changed my bling a little bit. And I really like the way they turned out. And then this is the last one. So this is my first one that I did the class on. And I've just changed it up a tiny bit and put the little orange flame out there. And I've coloured in the cord for this one, the trim, with some blends, pumpkin pie blends. Okay. Roz, what did you make today?
Well, today I got the instructions early, so I made there we go.
Yes, lovely.
So and then I put the there.
Oh, up the top, yep.
But in today's class, I decided to change up the colours a little bit.
Oh, wow.
So instead of the orange, I did melon mambo and
yep. And come in nice and close so we can see the melon mambo on the edges.
Yeah. Oh, that way.
Oh, yes. Oh, on the it's on the sentiment there. Yep.
Yeah, did the
cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, so then the next one, which was this one, there we go.
Yep.
Yay.
Very nice.
And on the inside, I did.
Oh, I didn't think to do the inside.
Okay, yay! But today
that looks great.
That was when I practiced on, and today again melon mambo.
Change the colours again. I love it.
And I totally forgot about the sentiment, so I'd already stuck the bike down low, so I had to go up the top.
That's okay.
And I didn't do anything on the inside of this one.
All right.
There.
Oh, wow.
This one, okay, so I used a different piece of the designer series paper.
Yeah.
So it's like the riding past a diner.
Oh, lovely.
So
that's great.
Do that.
Very nice.
And I also got round to doing a second one. But I didn't use the cutout. I used the centerpiece of the other film.
Oh, wow.
Did it like that.
Great. Oh, I love that. They're so rustic looking too. Hey. Wow. How'd you go, Di?
Yeah, well, I only made the one of each.
That's okay.
Yes, this is the first one, pretty much.
Oh, yeah. Okay, and you put your bling up the top there. Nice.
The design, yeah. Yeah. And I just, like you say, the little edge pieces on the bottom. And the second one with the motorbike, I actually did all the little pieces and put it together.
Wow, come closer to the camera for us. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, so you've die cut all the bits of motorbike. That's wonderful.
And then cut out little pieces on and
such a beautiful set.
Really good.
Yeah.
And gorgeous. Inside, because I did stamp the other motorbike.
Oh, wow.
And the last one, I went for red.
Wow. Oh, red. Good. Match my jacket.
Yes, match you. So you got a red one for your jacket now.
And no, I didn't craft with the jacket on the whole time.
That would have been hot.
It's a bit hot.
But I used this from the Geared Up Garage.
Yeah. Oh, that looks great.
And a couple of cogs, if you can see them on the bottom.
Yeah, I can. That looks so good. Oh, there's something inside.
There's a tiny little, a little bit of rock and grass.
Oh, they're wonderful. Thank you, girls. Wonderful, girls. Thank you for joining me today. So next time for May, I'll just grab my stamps. the stamps here on the table. I'm going to be using the Beautiful Balloons stamp set and the dies. And there's some beautiful paper. I've started playing with the card. This isn't for the class. I was just playing with it last night in a team meeting. It was fun. We were having a pajama party. So I haven't quite finished that, but there's some of the papers that are in the set. So I'll be creating some things for you. So we'll see what happens next time. So that's in May, the last weekend in May. So just check my calendar, which is under my stampinup.net. You will find the calendar on my blog as well, but the actual event to RSVP in is in my stampinup.net page. So thanks for joining me. And I hope you come again. And let's be ready to ride.
Bye.
Throw my gloves and off I go. Ciao.
Ciao.